ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ കേട്ടറ്റിൻ്റെ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയറിൽ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് സൈക്കോളജി റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സാണ്. ഇത് PSCയിൽ തന്നെ HSC എക്സാം എഴുതുന്ന ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് ഉപകാരപ്രദമായ ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. Functionalism is related to William James. He is known as the father of American psychologists. Functionalism gives the importance of learning by doing, project method and mental activity. John Dewey and Engels are the functionalists who supported the William James. Structuralism is related to William Wundt. He is also known as father of psychology. His method is experimental psychology. He started laboratories in Germany 1879. Father of behaviorism is J.B. Watson. Behaviorism or connectionism is related to J.B. Watson. It's a teacher-centered approach. Ivan Pavlov, B.F. Skinner, Tolman, Hull and Thorndike are important behaviorists. Erik Erikson's psychosocial development method, adolescence period, is also known as identity versus role confusion. It's a period of stress and strain. Gestalt psychology is related to Wertheimer, Kofek and Kohler. It gives the importance of the whole part of the classroom. A good teacher is one who gives an ample opportunity to learn the student. Creativity is related to brainstorming. In peer tutoring, two or more students act as a tutor and tutor during each section is known as a reciprocal. Dash approach adopted by the progressive teacher attempting to eliminate the inequality on the basis of social classroom is critical pedagogy. Advanced organizer is aimed to develop student cognitive structure. Next question. A systematic collection of a student work by the teacher is portfolio. Children have the potential to create knowledge and making meaning from these prospects. The role of the teacher is facilitator. In revised Bloom taxonomy of applying is coming after understanding. In revised Bloom taxonomy is developed 2001. Next question. The criteria used for the objectively evaluated student work by the teacher is known as a rubrics. In which approach the entire topic, easy as well as the difficult, finished at one stage is known as a topical approach. Topical approach is opposite direction spiral approach. Most important intelligence theories. First one, spiritual intelligence is related to John Marshall. Second one, triarchy theory is related to Sternberg. Third one, multiple intelligence theory is related to Howard Gardner. Fourth one, meaningful verbal learning is related to David Oswald. Once again, spiritual intelligence is related to John Marshall. Triarchic theory is related to Sternberg. Multiple intelligence theory is related to Howard Gardner. And meaningful verbal learning theory is related to David Oswald. Two-factor theory is related to Charles Spearman. Group factor theory for primary mental ability is related to Thurston. Human intelligence is related to Arthur Jensen. Emotional intelligence is related to Goldman. Once again, two-factor theory is related to Charles Spearman. Group factor theory for primary mental ability is related to Thurston. Human intelligence is related to Arthur Jensen. Emotional intelligence is related to Goldman. Minnesota Spatial Relation Test is used to measure children aptitude. A diagram speaks more than 1,000 words. The statement means that the teacher should be used teaching aid in the classroom. Identify the category of evaluation that assess that the learning progress to provide continuous feedback to the student during the instruction is known as a formative evaluations. A teacher collect and read the work of the class, then plan and adjust the next lesson to meet student needs. He or she is doing as an assessment for the learning. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and share.